So Dick, where are we going? Have we lost yet?
I hope we're going past Horsefly before we use my mind.
You know, we gotta go and retrieve the little beaver. Morning, Bruce. How's it going?
Not raining.
You sure you want to separate yourself from that little girl?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Get a new one someday.
A new one someday? Well, let's have a look here what we find. And Dick, no comment from you.
I'm not saying a word.
Okay, good.
Give bad advice.
Here we go. Oh, well, sitting on floats, nicely dry storage, you know, see if we can go and do something with it.
Want me to sit in there with you and we can...
Dick, what are you trying to tell us?
Get the hell out of our way.
Get the hell out of our way, danger is coming. So the beaver wings are washed, and what's happening here is they're actually the original 1987, I believe, Dacron covers. Somebody decided to just throw a bit of paint on there. It's not looking too shabby, but upon closer inspection, if you walk around, and once we got the second one out of the shop, it's not looking all this good, and we basically kind of, yeah, I would say it's due. It's definitely ready.